Trading is a way of making money. The profit can be big or small, but that's the whole point of it. It became a popular method of making money in recent years due to the appearance of Bitcoin. Trading is a simple method, but can also be complicated. The complexity is due to the fact that many factors are involved and you need to be careful. Recently, the former managing director of NV Global Trading, Eng Yuji, is alleged of participating in a scam that defrauded investors of around $1.1 billion. On December 22, 2022, a bankruptcy order was issued against the 35-year-old. This follows the filing of a bankruptcy petition against Eng after the High Court in May 2022 made it possible for liquidators to chase hundreds of millions of funds reportedly improperly transferred into Eng's personal accounts. The liquidators of NV Global Trading, NV Asset Management, and NV Management Holding sued Eng and 3 other people in the High Court in November 2021 in an attempt to retrieve $416.5 million and $17.7 million from his assets. Eng is also facing 105 criminal charges for his possible involvement in the scam in addition to the lawsuit. Cheating, criminal breach of trust, forgery, fraudulent trade, and money laundering are among the charges. According to court filings, Eng's 3 firms collected about $1.09 billion, $277.1 million and 980,000 euro in investor money, apparently for nickel trading. He also faces the prospect of a hefty prison sentence of more than 20 years if guilty, since his case has been considered by the High Court. Eng's bail was also increased to $6 million from $4 million on Thursday, January 19, after the prosecution's appeal on the grounds that the accused is a high-flight risk. After a recent bankruptcy court revealed that Eng had additional $15.6 million in assets, the prosecution made the case for increased bail. The majority of these assets, that include an apartment and a vehicle, are located in other countries and are owned or controlled by other people. Deputy Public Prosecutor Gordon O also argued before the Magistrates Court on Thursday for a raise in bail amount, claiming that Eng's allegations are serious and that a considerable sum of money is yet unrecovered. However, Eng, who has changed counsel from Davender Singh Chambers to Denton Sroddick and Davidson, has objected to the $2 million increase in bail. Eng's lawyer, Navin Naidu, stated that nothing material has changed in the circumstances. Eng has known about the transfer to the High Court for 6 to 7 months, but he has not fled. Furthermore, Eng is subject to restricted bail restrictions as well as a curfew. NV Global Trading and NV Asset Management, which raised funds from investors to buy nickel and reportedly duped investors into buying a part of receivables from the sale through forward contracts. Around 1,000 investors, such as business owners, lawyers, and financiers, invested their money into the plan, which promised 15% average quarterly returns. However, the prosecution claimed that the corporations did not purchase any nickel. Vickers Venture Partners founder Finian Tan, former Law Society president Thao Sheni, and a general counsel at Temasek are among those who have become the victims. Following that, the matter will be considered in the High Court. People are buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrency with the intent to make a profit. In order to achieve this goal, one must find ways to make their purchases more profitable and less risky. We also need to know what is fraud, what is illegal, and what is not. By doing this, we can avoid being a victim of fraud or theft. Tell us what you think about it on the comments below. Subscribe to our channel to get notified when we upload new video. Thanks for watching.